Hello, my teacher friends. In this ARPIT Swayam platform program or the course by Savitribai Phule Pune University HRDC, we have a area of governance and leadership of higher education institutions. In this area, the leadership can play a important role in the maintenance of standard in higher education. Today's module, we will see how the maintenance of standard in higher education is maintained, and for this purpose, what type of recommendations are given by the University Grant Commission to the university, colleges and higher education institutions to maintain the standard in higher education. The University Grant Commission in the notification of 7th pay minimum qualification for college and university teachers, in this notification to maintain the standard in higher education recommended so many things. In this, the first recommendation is regarding the maintaining the standard in the evaluation of PhD thesis. The process of evaluation for PhD thesis is one of the quality maintenance of the standard in higher education. And University Grant Commission is expecting uniform in all the universities to the system to evaluate the PhD evaluation process. And regarding this, the University Grant Commission had issued a regulation, and time to time some amendments are also given to it. It is up to the universities and universities of the Indian universities to record it and to adopt all these rules as a form of notification. University Grant Commission had issued time to time very immediate effect. Second important aspect regarding the recommendation for the maintenance of higher education standard in the higher education institution, there shall be a special provision of supernumerary PhD seats not exceeding 10% of the total seats available in the department or the research center. Sometimes what happens, there is no vacant seat available with the eligible supervisor in that department or research center, and at this time to encourage the in-service teachers of the concerned university to complete their doctoral studies, this 10% extra seat has been allotted. So, the teachers will get the benefit, they are encouraged to do the research, and by this way standard of research is maintained. Also along with that, if the faculty is engaged in the teaching, automatically the engage in the teaching, if they are doing the research, the teaching process is encouraged. The third recommendation is regarding to encourage research and increase country's research output. This is a challenge before our higher education arena, and for this purpose university shall accord permission and provide need based facility for the college teachers to provide the facility of guiding the research by approving their supervisorship in PhD and MPhil scholars. The fourth important recommendation by the University Grant Commission for the maintaining the standard in the higher education is very important, which is related to the newly recruited faculty members. And the university and colleges shall be provided one time seed money or startup grant or research grant for establishing a basic research or computational facility as per the provision laid down in these rules, which is provided by the University Grant Commission, so that the newly recruited faculty will encourage, will be contributing in the promoting the research activity, and through this, once the research is promoted, the standard will be maintained through it. Along with the next and important recommendation by the University Grant Commission regarding the doctoral degree is that The PhD degree shall be made a mandatory recruitment for the recruitment and promotion in the accordance with the provision laid down in these rules. At the time of the recruitment or newly recruited teacher should complete a doctoral degree. He should be a doctoral degree holder, but the degree awarded to it should be accordance with the University Grant Commission's rules and regulation download in their notification time to time. All these things should be taken by the leaders and the governing bodies of the universities, so that standard will be maintained. The next sixth and important recommendation regarding the research cluster to maintain the standards in the higher education institution. Research clusters shall be created amongst the universities and colleges, and also in the research institutions or recognized institutions within the state for sharing research facilities, human resources, research skills and infrastructure to promote the research, and also to ensure optimum utilization of resources available with all the institutions by sharing it, and to create synergies among the higher education institutes. These research clusters will really share the intellectuals, infrastructures, brains to promote the research and to produce a high quality research through this. That is why the research cluster idea is floated by the University Grant Commission in the form of recommendation, and it is to see by the university leaders and governing bodies how this research cluster will be established. Through this research cluster, how the synergy among the higher education institutes will be created to optimize the utilization of resources which are available among all the institutions to have a high quality research output.